구독, 좋아요 해주세요.
Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. Lineman and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Paul Dameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on the Kara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General. Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry. All recruits to transport. No need for safety here until the rest of the ride. Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pakara. Affirmative. Deck 3, you are clear to launch. This is your final call report.
I just wait to be sure.
All recruits must be on board.
Launch! I have been tasked with getting you to the Kara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed. I want to get in, huh?
We're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
We got company. First order TIE fighters. Reroute. Red 2, Blue 5, we gotta clear a path so transport can make a jump.
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to strike your blow.
I'm trying.
We lost Blue 5. I'm gonna try to draw them away.
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready. You won't have much time.
The only continuing
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want a location of our secret base. Cover 9. The future of the Resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this. Stand back from those doors.
아니 뭐야 너? 갔다 오지잖아.
You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
진짜 물리치러. 근데 이것저것 그 왕이 죽은 거야.
Everybody out. This is a rescue mission. We're breaking you out of here. Find your color on the transport.
We're back with an attack force. Get to the escape pod now and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A drone droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes to the prisoners.
Your cover is blown. Find an alternate route. Who picked these two droids anyway?
Fire!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave. But ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Resistance personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. This destroyer's about.
There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
Alright, nice job, recruits. Not what you sign on for, but hey, the Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. Line up, scan for his copy.
More escape pods down in Sector 4. Verification pending from key command personnel.
Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck.
Tracking next pod of the wreckage service.
Lieutenant Beck here. Beck! I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your help.